everyone! I'm so glad you're here. I actually need your help. I was just thinking about what recipe I could make using the food of the day. And it got me thinking, I haven't told you what the food of the day is yet. Well, I'll give you a hint. They come in all kinds of different colors, but most of the time, they're green or red. They grow on trees, and they're sometimes sweet and sometimes sour. Do you know what it is? It's an apple. Well, today we're going to learn all about apples. We're going to go on a field trip, and we're even going to make a craft. It's going to be so much fun. Come on, let's go. Wow, look at all these different apples. I see red apples, green apples, I even see yellow apples. Some apples taste sweet, while others taste a little sour. Which kind of apples do you like best? Red ones, green ones, a little bit sour? That's a good choice. I like those too. Did you know that humans are not the only ones who love to eat apples? Deer love munching on apples. Squirrels like to nibble on them. Horses enjoy them as a treat. Even some birds peck at fallen apples. Isn't it amazing how many creatures enjoy apples? Well, while many of us buy apples from the grocery store, have you ever wondered how they get there? Or where they come from? Well, I'll tell you. It all starts with a tiny little seed. Farmers plant those seeds in soil, and with lots of rain, sunshine, and care, they grow up into strong apple trees. And now it takes a few years before those trees are ready to grow apples. First come the beautiful flowers, and then apples start to grow. When the apples are ready, farmers carefully pick them to not bruise them. And then the apples are washed, sorted, and packed into boxes. Some apples go to big grocery stores, while some go to farmers markets where you can buy them fresh. And that's how apples make their way from a tiny seed all the way to our table. Do you know what color this apple is? That's right, it's red. Do you know how to spell the word red? Red. The word red starts with the letter R. R. Red. R says R. Red. The next letter is E. Can you say E? Nice job. E. And the last letter in the word red is the letter D. D says D. D. Red. D. This is the word red. R E D. Red. Do you know what color this is? It's yellow. Let's spell the word yellow. Yellow. It starts with the letter Y. Y. Y says Y. Yellow. The next letter is E. E sometimes says E. E. The next letter is L. L. Yellow. L.
L. After that is another L. L. There are two L's in yellow. Yellow. The next letter is O. Ah. O. And the last letter is W. 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 Yellow. W. This is the word yellow. Y-L-O. Yellow. Can you say yellow? Great job! Yellow.
Yellow. Do you hear that? It's our school bus. It's time for a field trip. Come on, let's go! I had so much fun at the farm today. I fed goats, I saw some sheep, and I even came home with some more apples. These are straight off the farm. These are farm fresh apples. I also came home with some banana bread. Have you ever had banana bread before? It's so good. Banana bread is sweet and it's spongy like cake. Let's give it a taste. You know what I really like with my banana bread? A little bit of a drizzle of chocolate on top. That gives me an idea for our apple recipe. What if we made chocolate-covered apple slices? Come on, let's make it. And most importantly, you're going to get a grown-up to help you with this part. So we're going to start by grabbing a sliced apple, and you can use something like a corer to core out the middle of the apple, like this. As you can see, this one is flower-shaped, and that is what the inside of it looks like taken out. And now we're going to dip it into our white chocolate, just like this. And now we're going to take our spoon and sprinkle our sprinkles right over top of the chocolate, just like that. And we'll place it over here
Take our apple slice, core out the center, just like this. Cover it in chocolate, and then add our sprinkles right on top. Ooh, that looks so good.
Okay, and now after about 5 minutes in the freezer, they are all done and ready to eat. Let's try them. I love apples. They are so good, aren't they? I love when a snack can be both tasty and fun. Speaking of fun, I have such a good idea. Let's make a craft together. You want to? Awesome! Come on, let's go.
All right, so in order to make this craft, we are going to need some safety scissors, a glue stick, a marker or crayon, some brown construction paper, green construction paper, and red construction paper. Let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is draw the shape of an apple. So using an apple as a reference, what kind of shape does an apple have? It looks a bit like a circle, doesn't it? So we're going to take our crayon or marker and we're going to draw the shape of an apple. And I think it looks like a circle. So we are going to draw a circle. Just like that. Now let's cut that with our safety scissors. So this will be our apple. Do you think they're a similar shape? Yeah, I think so too. So the next thing about an apple is that there's usually some leaves that come off the top. Let's take our green construction paper and let's draw some leaves on it. I'm going to start by making a line and then doing some 2 curved lines next to it. And I'll do one more right here. Now, let's cut those out as well. Now, we are going to take our apple and glue these leaves onto the apple. Take our glue stick. We're going to take our leaves and turn them over. And we're going to glue down at the bottom, right next to the stem of the leaf. And this will be our first one. And I'll put the other one just like this. Don't you think it looks a bit like an apple now? I think it needs a little one of those. Now, there's usually a stem that comes out of the top of the apple. We're going to go ahead and make that too. Think of it like a rectangle. Now cut this out as well. Now we're going to glue that to our apple. Right here. Just like that. What do you think? Do you think it looks like an apple? I think so. You know what I think we should do for our apple? Is we should write the word apple on the front of it. Do you know how to spell apple? The word apple starts with the letter A. That is the uppercase letter A. A says apple. Do you know what the next letter is? The next letter is P. P. Apple. Apple. And there's actually two P's. A, P, P, apple. Do you know what the next letter is? The next letter sounds like L. Apple. That's right. It's the letter L. Apple. And the final letter of the word apple is E. A, P, P, L, E. Apple. Can you say that with me? Apple. Apple. Nice job. And there we go. There is our apple craft. And I think this is a pretty nice piece of artwork. And great pieces of artwork belong on the fridge. So there it is. There's our apple. You did such a good job helping me with it. Thank you. Thank you. Well, I had so much fun learning and playing with you today. Today, we learned all about apples. We learned all about where they come from. We went on a field trip to a farm. We fed some animals. We learned how to spell. We made a tasty apple snack. And we even made a really cool apple craft. I think you should give yourself a big pat on the back, because I'm proud of you. That's going to do it for this video. My name is Mike with Mike Teaches Food, and I'm so glad that you were here with me today to learn and explore new foods. And if you had fun today, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so that we can keep enjoying and discovering new foods together.